How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super cool 67 Camaro RS. Had a custom build a few years back. Super slick. Gorgeous rally red, base clear, black, bumblebee stripe. Got all the hideaway headlights. Bumpers all been redone, re-chromed, new hood louvers. All the chrome on the car is in excellent shape. Car's real straight, flat down the sides. Got a nice canvas top. American Racing torque thrust wheels. Got a Kindig-It custom rear spoiler. It looks real good on the convertible. It's not quite so tall. Got a glass rear window in the convertible top. Just super nice car. It's all wheel wood, 4-wheel disc brakes, drilled slotted rotors. It's got a GM Ramjet 350 horse in it. It's all the power disc brakes, power steering. It's got all tubular upper and lower A-arms, rack and pinion power steering on it. Got coilovers up front, nice heavy duty aluminum radiator. Got 350 turbo trans, 10 bolt posi rear. Nice custom interior. You can see the jams all look real good. Really like the interior. Got IDIDIT tilt steering column, Dakota Classic instrumentation. It's nice custom done seats with extra bolsters. It's done in a vinyl or in suede. Very nice. We do have a black parade boot that goes with it. All inside the trunk has all been upholstered to match. That AM/FM stereo, which is Bluetooth and iPod capability. Nice custom center console in it. Tell you, the seats are super comfortable. Again, it's a fuel injected ramjet motor. Got all LED lights in it. Got a very nice dual exhaust X-pipe. It's got the Hotchkiss control or connectors and center support. Got sequential taillights. Very cool. Backup lights. We got a bulb out there. We'll get that taken care of. Check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. You can visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. And check out our complete inventory, rosscustomsmi.com, and also follow us on Facebook. That car's got perfect stance.